Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking niluto na papaya guys. So look. Ayan, si papaya. Wow! Yummers! Tapos, nagsasaing pa kami kasi wala pa kami sinaing. So, ayan. Ayan, kumukulo pa lang yung sinaing. Okay. So, ayan. Yan yung menu namin for this, lunch. Ayan. Ayan, so mabilis lang magluto and gigisahin mo lang yung sardinas. Ayan, so yan ang aming menu. So ito ipapakita ko sa inyo. Wow. Wow. Okay? Ayan, simple lang yan guys. Simple only, no? Simple lang yan na ulam. At ito naman yung aming sinaing. So, ayan, maluluto na siya. Wow, white na white. Ayan, tatakpan lang yan at pahihinaan ng apoy. Ayan. Okay. Tatakpan lang yung pahinaan ng apoy. So, ayan lang, yan lang. That's it for today's video. Ayan, lunchtime with rice and sardines with papaya. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Mwah.